provide ongoing support and maintenance for my Shopify store. Launching your Shopify store is just the beginning. Here's how I ensure your store stays optimized and continues to grow over time. Yes, I offer ongoing support to ensure that your store runs smoothly and continues to grow. This includes everything from software updates to troubleshooting and implementing new features as your business evolves. My goal is to keep your store performing at its best so you can focus on scaling your business without worrying about technical issues. Launching a Shopify store is just the beginning. Keeping it running smoothly and ensuring that it stays optimized is the key to long-term success. And you want to grow your business over time. I provide ongoing support that includes everything from routine software updates to troubleshooting technical issues and implementing new features as your business evolves. For example, one client came to me after experiencing a drop in sales due to slow loading times and outdated features. We conducted a full audit of their site, optimized their products pages, and implemented new marketing automation tools. As a result, their bounce rates went back by 30% within just 2 months. The regular check-ins and continuous improvements ensure that your store remains optimized, secure, and growing. My goal is to provide long-term support that helps your business scale without you having to worry about the technical details. And if you're willing to jump in there and get your hands dirty, we can multiply that effect.